The Be Quiet Pure Power 11600W power supply is a top choice for those looking to build a high-performance and quiet PC. This power supply boasts an 80+ gold certification, which ensures up to 92% efficiency, making it not only powerful but also energy efficient. This means lower electricity bills and less heat generation, which is crucial for maintaining a cool and stable system. One of the standout features of this PSU is its dual 12V rail design. These strong rails provide enhanced stability and reliability, ensuring that your components receive consistent power delivery even under heavy load. This is particularly beneficial for gaming rigs or workstations that demand high power performance. The Pure Power 11 also incorporates advanced technologies such as active clamp and synchronous rectifier (SR) technology. These technologies contribute to its stable operation by improving efficiency and reducing power losses. Additionally, the DC to DC conversion feature ensures tighter voltage regulation, which is especially important under heavy cross-loading conditions. This means that even when different components are drawing varied amounts of power, the PSU can handle it seamlessly, providing a stable and reliable power output. Silence is another key selling point of the Be Quiet Pure Power 11. It features a silence-optimized 120mm Be Quiet fan. This fan is designed to minimize noise while providing adequate cooling to the power supply. For users who value a quiet computing environment, this PSU delivers exceptional performance without the annoying hum that can come from less optimized cooling solutions. Safety is not compromised with the Pure Power 11. It comes with a full suite of top safety features to protect your valuable components. This includes overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, short circuit, overload, and overheating protections. These features ensure that your PC remains safe and functional even in the event of a power anomaly. Overall, the Be Quiet Pure Power 11600W 80+ gold power supply combines high efficiency, advanced technology, and silent operation, making it an excellent choice for any PC build. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who needs a reliable power source for your computer, this PSU offers the perfect blend of performance and silence. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.